All right, let's talk about something that can trip up even the best of us. Subject-verb agreement. It sounds complicated, I know, but trust me, we're gonna make it super simple today.
Welcome back to the Gist English Masterclass. I'm really happy you're here, ready to level up your English.
So, subject and verb agreement. Does it make your head spin sometimes? You know, you're looking at a long sentence, and you're just not sure. Should I use is or are, was or were? It can be really confusing, right?
Well, don't you worry, we're gonna break it all down. Because honestly, it all comes back to one single golden rule. If you can remember this one thing, you are well on your way to mastering this. So what is this golden rule? It's this. The subject and the verb have to agree. They're like best friends in a sentence. They have to match. Think of it like a sports team. Everyone's got to wear the same jersey. And here's what that actually means. If you have a singular subject, just one person or thing, your verb needs to be singular too, like the manager writes. But if your subject is plural, more than one, then your verb has to be plural. The managers write. See the difference? It's all about making sure they're in sync. Let's look at a super common example. We say, there is a problem because a problem is just one thing, it's singular. But we say there are several problems because several problems is plural. That's the golden rule working its magic right there. Okay, ready for your first tool? This is a good one. I call it ignoring the middleman. And it's gonna save you from one of the biggest mistakes people make with this stuff. You see, sometimes sentences like to play tricks on us. They'll stick a bunch of extra words right between the subject and the verb. These extra phrases, they're just distractions, like a middleman. Your mission is to find the real subject and just ignore everything else. Okay, look at this classic trap. The list of items. Your eyes see the word items, which is plural, and you immediately want to say are. But hold on. What's really on the desk? It's not the items, it's the list. And list is singular. So the list is on the desk. We just ignored that middleman of items. Let's try one more. The quality of these reports, again, you see reports, plural, and you think are. But nope. What are we actually talking about? We're talking about the quality. Quality is a singular idea. So the quality is excellent. See how easy that is once you know what to look for? Awesome. Let's move on to tool number 2. This one is all about a tiny little word that has a whole lot of power, the word and. And the good news is this rule is usually super straightforward. It's pretty simple, really. When you connect two subjects with and, you're basically just doing a little math. One thing plus another thing equals two things, which makes the subject plural. So you're almost always going to need a plural verb. So, for instance, we have the marketing team. That's one thing. And we have the finance team. That's another thing. Put them together with and now you have a plural subject. So, the marketing team and the finance team are in agreement. Easy peasy. By the way, if you're finding these tools helpful and everything is making sense, go ahead and click that like button. It lets me know we're on the right track. Okay, time for our third and final tool today. This one's a little trickier, but I know you've got this. We're going to call it choosing the closest. This is for those sentences that use pairs like either or neither nor. So here's the secret for these either or situations. You don't have to worry about both subjects. Just forget the first one. The verb only cares about the subject that it's right next to. It's all about proximity. The one that's nearest is the boss. Let's check it out. Either the manager or the employees. So what's the word right before the verb? It's employees, which is plural. So our verb has to be plural too, are. The employees are responsible. The verb just agreed with its closest neighbor. But watch what happens when we just flip them around. Either the employees or the manager. Now, what's closest to the verb? Manager. That's singular, so the verb becomes is. The manager is responsible. It's that simple. Just look at the word that's right there. Wow, we have covered so much great stuff today. So before we wrap up, let's do a super quick review of your key takeaways. These are the tools that are going to help you start speaking and writing with way more confidence, like right now. So here are your 3 essential tools. First, always, always, always follow the golden rule. Find the real subject. Second, remember the power of and. It usually makes things plural. And third, for either or, don't overthink it. Just look at the subject closest to the verb.
And I really want you to remember this. Getting your grammar right isn't just about following rules in a book. It's about feeling confident. When you know your sentences are solid, your ideas shine through, and that's a total game changer. All right, that's it for this masterclass. You did an amazing job. Keep practicing with these tools, and I can't wait to see you in the next class.